Best 8 trade jobs you can learn online in 2026. The internet changed everything, even in the trades. There are careers now where you can learn the basics online, get certified online, and walk into a job faster than almost any traditional path. Today, I'm counting down the 8 best trade jobs you can actually learn online in 2026. Look, I want to be straight with you right away. Learn online doesn't mean you never touch anything. Every trade has a hands-on side. That's what makes it a trade. But these are careers where you can build the knowledge online first, get certified online, and then hit the ground running when you step onto the job site. I've been in the trades for 30 years. I know which careers work for self-starters, and I know which ones make you wait years before you can do anything on your own. These 8 are where the motivated person has a real advantage. Number 1 on this list, people are going from 0 to employed, making 55 to 75K in under 6 months. Mostly through online study. Stay with me for that one. Smash the like button and subscribe. All right, let's go. Number 8, home inspector, residential property inspector. Starting at number 8, and this one surprises people every time. A home inspector looks at houses. They check the roof, the plumbing, the electrical, the HVAC. Then they write a detailed report. It sounds simple, but it takes real knowledge across every trade. And that knowledge, you can build it online. ASHI and Enter NACHI both offer full online training programs. Enter NACHI's training is actually free for members. Most states require a written exam called the NHIE. You can prep for that entirely online. Then you do 25 to 100 supervised inspections, depending on your state. That's it. Pay runs 50K to 85K. The inspector's doing 3 to 5 inspections a week in a hot real estate market. They're clearing 90K to 130K. Low overhead, no employees required, repeat business from real estate agents, and a schedule you control. I know guys who built their whole knowledge base online, passed the NHIE, and were running their own inspections within 6 months of starting from 0. All right, next up, number 7, energy auditor, building performance specialist. Here's one most people have never heard of, and I think that's a mistake. An energy auditor evaluates how efficiently a building uses energy. They find air leaks, insulation problems, HVAC inefficiencies. Then they write a report with a recommendation. Energy costs are rising. Federal incentives are pushing building owners towards upgrades. The demand for qualified auditors is growing fast. Here's the good news. Most of the training is online. The Building Performance Institute, the BPI, is the main credentialing body. Their exam prep is all online. RESNET offers the HERS rating certifications with significant online coursework. The technical knowledge, building science, heat transfer, blower door testing. You can study all of it online before you ever pick up a piece of equipment. Pay runs 50K to 80K. The auditors who paired their credential with contractor relationships audit the buildings, then manage the improvement work, are building businesses that generate 150 to 250K. And the federal government is actively subsidizing this work through the Inflation Reduction Act. That means the demand isn't going anywhere. Now, this next one, real quick. I want to tell you about something that's been working for me. My brother Shane runs a program called the Content Growth Engine. It's built around growing your YouTube channel and earning real income without it taking over your life. We're talking less than 4 hours a week. I'm a member myself. First month in, I had a $214 day. That turned into $445 days, then $519 days by month 5, and it just keeps building from there. It's legit. Links in the description and pinned below. It's worth a look. Number 6, solar PV system designer, system sizing specialist. Here's one that lives almost entirely on a computer. That makes it one of the best fits for online learning on this whole list. A solar PV designer takes a customer's energy use, their roof dimensions, their shading data, their utility rates, and designs the right solar system for their situation. It's all done on a screen. The NABCEP PV Design Specialist credential is an industry standard. The coursework is available online. Design software platforms like Aurora Solar and Heloscope offer their own online training. The Technical Foundation, Electrical Theory, Solar Resource Assessment, NEC Code for PV, all fully learnable online. Pay runs 60K to 95K. The experienced designers working on large commercial projects are at the top of that range. And here's what makes this really interesting. A skilled PV designer can work remotely for contractors anywhere in the country. You can sit in Montana and design systems for a contractor in Florida. Geography doesn't limit you. That's rare in the trades world. Number 5, construction estimator commercial cost specialist. Here's a career the construction industry desperately needs, and the online learning world has gotten generally good at teaching it. A construction estimator reviews project plans, calculates materials and labor costs, and produces a bid that wins the work. It's the financial backbone of every construction project, and it translates really well to online learning. The American Society of Professional Estimators offers online education and the CPE credential. Procure, Bluebeam, and PlanSwift all offer online training through their own portals. Estimating fundamentals, quantity takeoffs, cost database management, all of it works in an online format. Pay runs $65K to $105K. Senior estimators at large contractors, the ones running the bid process on multi-million-dollar projects, are clearing $110K to $150K. And here's what I love about this for the self-directed learner. Your credibility in the field is built on accuracy, not where you learned. If your numbers are right and your bids win profitable work, nobody cares whether you learned in a classroom or online. Now this next one. Number 4, OSHA Safety and Compliance Specialist, Construction Safety Manager. Here's one with an almost entirely online training path and a pay scale most people don't associate with safety work. A construction safety manager runs safety programs on a job site, conducts inspections, leads toolbox talks, investigates incidents, keeps the contractor OSHA compliant. With enforcement ramping up and big GCs requiring full-time safety staff on large projects, demand is strong. The training path is almost all online. OSHA 10 and OSHA 30, both fully online. The CHST credential from the Board of Certified Safety Professionals has major online study components. The CSP, Certified Safety Professional, is the top of the credentials in this field. All the prep material is online. OSHA standards, fall protection, electrical safety, confined space, all of it is learnable through self-directed online study. Pay runs $70K to $110K. The CSPs working for large GCs and safety consulting firms on major projects are at the top of that range and above. And here's something I really like about this for online learners. Your income is not tied to physical output. You're paid for knowledge and judgment, and that knowledge fully buildable online. All right, next up. Quick question, and be honest. Do you actually know which trade fits you, or are you just picking the one you've heard of? Course Careers has an AI career counselor named Coura that'll actually figure that out for you. She walks you through your goals, your personality, your lifestyle, and matches you to the right fit from HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project managing, construction estimating, architectural drafting, or supply chain coordinator. Then you get the free intercourse to see if you're right before you go all in. No experience needed, no degree required. Students have been doing this and landing high-paying careers as little as 4 to 12 weeks. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Know before you go. Number 3, architectural drafter, the BIM and CAD technician. Here's one where the entire skill set lives on a computer. That makes it one of the most natural suited careers on this list to online learning. An architectural drafter uses AutoCAD, Rivet, and SketchUp to produce technical drawings and 3D models. Architects use them. Engineers use them. Contractors use them. It's detail-oriented technical work, and it all happens on a screen. The online learning ecosystem for CAD and BIM is excellent. Autodesk, the company behind AutoCAD and Rivet, has its own online training and certification. LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, and YouTube have thousands of hours of instructions. The Autodesk Certified Professional credential is earned through an online exam. A motivated self-learner can build real Revit proficiencies in 3 to 6 months of focused online study. Pay runs $52K to $85K. Senior BIM coordinators on large commercial projects are clearing $90K to $120K. And remote work is generally common in this career. Many architectural firms hire remote BIM technicians. Your office can be anywhere with a good computer and fast internet. That's a rare setup in the trades world. Now this one at number 2, this one surprised even me. Number 2, HVAC controls and building automation system technician. Remote programming specialist. Here's one that sits right between the trades world and the tech world. And because of that, it has one of the best online learning ecosystems of any trade career. A building automation system tech or a BIS tech programs and troubleshoots the control system that manages HVAC, lighting, and energy in commercial buildings. The programming work is done on a laptop. The physical side, sensors, controls, wiring, is the hands-on part. The big BAS manufacturers all offer online training. Johnson Controls, Siemens, Schneider, Electric, Honeywell, Trane, they all have online certification programs for their platforms. Niagara Framework, the most widely used open BAS platform, has an extensive online training library through Tritium. ASHRAE's online programs covers building automation fundamentals thoroughly. Pay runs $72K to $115K. Senior programmers managing large campus-wide systems, universities, hospitals, government buildings are at the top of the range. And here's what makes this career stand out for online learners. A lot of BS programming can be done remotely. I know BS engineers who dial into building controls from their home. They make programming changes without ever going to their job site. That is generally rare in the trades world. All right, number one, here it is.
Hi, quick break here. If you'd like to take a free course in course careers, click the link below in the description.
Number one, the closer, IT and network cabling technician, low voltage system specialist. Okay, here's number one, and I want to explain exactly why this tops the list. It comes down to four things: online learnable content, short certification timeline, strong job demand, and real business ownership potential. No other career on this list checks all four boxes the way this one does. A low voltage system technician installs structured cabling, Cat6, fiber optics, coaxial for data networks, security systems, AV systems, and access controls in commercial buildings. It's licensed in many states. It's in constant demand, and the foundational knowledge teaches really well online. Here's the training picture. CompTIA, Network Plus, fully online prep, BICSI installer, 1 and 2, significant online coursework. ETA International offers online low voltage certification, cable standards, termination techniques, testing procedures, network fundamentals, all well documented online. Through manufacturer portholes, YouTube Professional Association resources. Here's a realistic timeline: 60 to 90 days of focused online study. Pass the exams. Enter the workforce at 45K to 65K. 2 to 3 years of field experience. Move into a lead tech or project supervisor role at 70K to 95K. 4 to 5 years in, start your own low voltage contracting company. Now here's the business ownership story, because this is what I really want you to hear. A low voltage contracting company serving commercial clients has some of the best economics of any small trades business. Materials are relatively cheap. Tools are minimal compared to most trades. Billing trades are strong. $85 to $150 per hour for a two-person crew is standard in most markets. And the demand keeps growing. Fiber build-out, smart buildings, commercial construction. It's not going away. I know a guy who left IT help desk, burned out, done with it, did his own online certifications in about 90 days, worked for a cabling contractor for 3 years, started his own company. He's got 4 techs now, works commercial tenant improvement projects, clearing $380K last year. He built his whole knowledge foundation online. The hands-on piece came from the job. That's the model. 6 to 12 months from zero to employed. A clear path to 6 figures within 5 years. A business ownership ceiling with no limit. That's why low voltage systems is number 1 on this list. Look, the internet has changed what's possible in the trade. Home inspection, energy auditing, solar design, construction estimating, safety management, architectural drafting, building automation, low voltage cabling. These are 8 careers where online learning is a real path in. The pay is real, and the business ownership potential is there for the people who go after it. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment. Which one are you most seriously considering? I read every single one. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.
If you need to learn the trades, go to Zach of all trades.